Do you need a strong, reliable knot to connect your braid to a monofilament or fluoro leader? The Double Uni Knot is one of the best and one I've been using for many years. Let's break it down step by step. All you'll need is your mono or fluoro leader, your braid, and a line cutting tool. First, we're going to overlap the lines. Start by overlapping the end of your braided line with your mono or fluoro leader, leaving several inches of tag end on both sides. Next, we're going to tie the first uni knot. First thing you're going to do is take the tag end of your leader line and create a loop over the main line braid and over the leader line. Pinch all three lines together where they intersect with your hand and get ready for the next step. Next, you're going to take the tag end of that same leader line and you're going to wrap it around the bottom of that loop, wrapping around the braid and your leader line. You're going to do this about 5 to 7 times depending on the line you're using. If you're using a lighter line, maybe wrap it more on the 7-end side. If you're using a thicker, heavier line, 5 to 6 wraps is probably good. Once you've got your tag end wrapped around the bottom of the loop, slowly tighten the knot down, but don't cinch it down all the way just yet. Now we're going to get ready to tie the second uni knot on the other side. We're going to totally mirror what we just did on one side on the other side. So now, grab your braid tag end and do the same thing. Fold it over, making a loop over the leader line and the braid line itself. Grab the tag end of the braid, wrapping it around the bottom of the loop just like on the other side, the same amount of times. Once you've completed your wraps, slowly tighten down the knot. Now that we have 2 uni knots separated by a few inches, we're going to grab both ends of the line, the tag end and the main lines, and we're going to gently pull to slide the knots together until they meet. Once they meet, give it a firm tug to lock everything in place. Trim off the excess tag ends close to the knot, and you're all set. The Double Uni Knot is now ready to keep your leader connection strong. If you want to see another great way to connect braid to leader, check out this next video right here on how to tie the Yucatan knot. It's super strong and even faster to tie. Click the box on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video.